Dear students, let us go to study about 24 hours chick embryo. A 24 hours chick embryo is obtained after 24 hours of incubation. It has the following silent features of the, what are the characteristic feature of the 24 hours chick embryo. First of all, you should come to know that you have to identify the number of somites. On that basis, based on somite number of basis, we have to calculate the age of the embryo. For example, you take here the 24 hour chick embryo has got the total number of somites are only 4. So 20 plus 4 somites, that indicates 24 hours chick embryo. Means how do you identify that? Depends on the number of somites. You have to calculate, or you can say go on adding the after 20 how many somites are there. If 20 plus 4 somites are there, then you can say that is the 24 hours chick embryo. The presence of 4 pairs of somite indicates that the 24 hours chick embryo. The shape of the embryo is oval. It lies flat on the yolk. The ventral surface of the surface is facing the yolk. There you may come across there are the two areas. One is area pellucida and area opaca. The blastoderm has two regions, namely the central area is called the area pellucida, and that peripheral around the pellucida, means pellucida area is surrounding the area, peripheral area is called as the area opaca. The area pellucida is transparent and the area opaca is dull. The cephalic region of embryo undergoes rapid growth. It extends anteriorly overhanging the proamnion region. The cephalic region overhanging proamnion becomes free from blastoderm and is termed as head of embryo. The space formed between the head and blastoderm is called the subcephalic pocket. The space between head and the blastoderm is called the subcephalic pocket. In the middle line there is a notochord. It is seen. The notochord is seen in the midline. The neural folds and neural grooves also appear. The mesoderm is proliferated by primitive streak. It is formed into two sheets on either side of the notochord between ectoderm and the endoderm. However, in front of the primitive streak there is an area without any mesoderm. This area is called the proamnion actually. And the dorsal mesoderm is located on either side of the notochord. It becomes transversely divided into segments called somites. The somites are formed one after another from the anterior end. So here depends upon the number of somites, we have to count the age of embryo. 20 up to 20 there is no any somites, and if there is a 1 somite, 2 somites, or the 3 up to 4, you can say 24 hours chick embryo. The first pair of somites is formed from 21 after hours of the incubation. You remember that. 21 hours means 1 somites you are able to see that. So this is the structure of 24 hours embryo.